Okay, welcome back. This is Mr. Velez here. Today we're going to be working on part 4. So now let's finish our section. So, part C, the last 4 measure, bar 13, 14, 15, 16. But before that, as always, go to my website, Mr.Velez Virtual Music, Google it, and then it's going to take you here at the top. Just go to Music Tag, find some maker. In here, when you go to my website, you can see the chords and then pick another sequence or pattern of chords that work well together. You will have to experiment. We started with C with our hum, and then the second part with the G, and then we repeat the first part, A section with the C. So let's go now to A. I'm gonna do A. So A will be C, D, E, F, G, A. And you can do different rhythms. Remember, this is one bar. So let's do something more aggressive. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da da. This should sound nice. So I'm not gonna listen, but you should listen. And then I'm gonna go to, I did 6. I'm gonna go to 4, 3, and 5. So my 4 is F, A, C. So F, C, D, E, F. That's my F. So I'm gonna do the same rhythm I did here. We say that we were doing 6, 4, 2, 5. So I'm gonna go to 2, D, F, A. And our last chord here will be G. So we say 6, 4, 2, and 5. So G, B, D. Okay, let's listen back. Everything that we have so far. Okay, that sounds good. Now we have to do the melody. So we did it in A. So let's keep, you can use red or yellow. I'm gonna keep my blue there. I have to find the melody. Let's try to do kind of the same rhythm here, see? We'll have to listen and check, so let's go back. Here we go, last section. Okay. Da da da. Da da da. Da da da. Da da. I'm gonna leave it like this and I'm gonna copy that idea. Let's choose green here. And then see, kind of the same from here with the rhythm. Then here I'm gonna do something different. You can use green or blue. I'm gonna go with orange. Let's leave some space there or something. Da 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 da. And at the end, let's go with green and do a little bit walking down. and finishing in the orange here. We have to listen. Let's check it out. How is this coming? Part A. B. A. C. Kind of work. Could be better, but it's okay for the example. So there you have it. You have A, you have B, A again, exactly the same. And then your last section C. So from bar 13 to 16 is your C section. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. You have all the parts now, and you can refer on the picture on my website for the course. Just keep it as simple as possible. Do a pattern, copy that. It's gonna make your song more, consistent, fluently, and all the people that are listening will be enjoying your music because you have repetition, you have pattern, so it will be easy to follow. And I can wait to hear what you're coming on, and you can comment here. Thank you so much. Hope you like this video. Give it a like, subscribe if you're not already, put some comment, and see you until the next series. I hope you enjoyed this series. See you next time. Bye.